passport user login details. Now I'm going to talk about how we are going to load the things. See, this is the scenario. Actually, I got two tables. One is passport details table and the other one is passport login details. So the data needs to be inserted, the ID needs to be inserted. I got the ID is 1. This one ID needs to be inserted in this table. The one ID created here should be inserted in this table with the username, password and everything. This is called a referential integrity and this is called primary key and this one is foreign key. So I think already I have created the table in the database passport.Project, passport login details, yes. Now, so I need to fetch this ID from this table, select, so the query should be select ID from passport details, order by ID descending because I want the latest one. To fetch the latest inserted records in the table. Okay, so this is the query and take this ID, insert in the second table. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, now, so I think my connection is open. I didn't close the connection. In the end, I will close the connection. Now what I am trying to do is I will have my SQL command cmd1. The reason is I got cmd here, so I take cmd1. New SQL command. The command is this is a command. And via this connection it should get executed. I need the SQL data adapter DA is equal to new SQL data adapter of command. This is a command. And the data set to return the data. And what I am trying to do is DA dot command type we need to specify. So my command is command type is equal to command type dot text. Now DA dot fill this command. So I filled it. Oh, sorry. DA dot fill of data set. Now I will get the value int ID is equal to ds dot tables of 0 dot rows of 0 dot to string. So I converted and I need to convert it, convert dot to int 32. So convert dot to int 32. Okay, so I got the data ID. Now I need to insert it. Once again I got my SQL command cmd2 is equal to new SQL command. So over here I need this one. So I got the ID here. So ID here, txt username. So this one is a txt. Oh, I need to change it. I will put it as txt username. And over here, this one is txt password. And combo box, the name is security question. This one is security answer. Now I got the things. So insert into the passport login details table this table. I got ID, username, password, security question, security answer. Yes, it's the values. ID is this one, username, password, security question, and security password answer. I will make it as a single line. So I got it as a single line. Copy it. I'll go here. I'll paste it here. Come on. We need a connection to execute. So int val2 is equal to command2 dot execute non-query. If val2 is greater than 0, I got a message box dot show data user login. I'll put it as a passport user login details added successfully. Else I got my message box dot show data insertion failed. Okay, so this is a query I've written, and afterwards I'm trying to close the connection. Let's see how it works. So I'll put a message box here to see whether I'm getting the ID or not. ID dot toString. Let's see. I think we are ending up with applying the passport creation. So create. I got the thing. Login. Now the first name is b at gmail.com, b address bd bs. Trying to insert the data. B. I didn't give the security question. Maybe like I need to check it out. The interesting person is B once again. I'm clicking submit button. So this content is added. I didn't get the next content. Cannot find the tables of 0. Select ID from passport details. Looks like there is a problem. Looks like there is a problem here. Command 1. I missed it here. The same thing here. It's command 2. Let me check it out once again. Crash C agenda. I need to select it. I need to select it. Give the value. Submit. Yes, the value. So this query returns the ID 4. Clicking OK. Looks like there is a problem with here. I got a problem here. And to identify. How we can identify? So I'll put as a string query 3 is equal to I'll copy this code, I'll put it here, and I'll remove this one and add it as query 3. So on a whole, if I try to identify what could be the problem, I couldn't identify the problem. Maybe ID, I'll make it as toString for safer side. I don't think it's a problem. Let me check it out, like what could be the problem. Okay, because it will throw an error at this area, so we can easily identify. So crash, so it's E. I'll change this in mail, sorry. Okay, I'm clicking, so the data is 5. Okay, there is a problem here. The query is selected item. So it could be the problem with this combo box, I'm guessing. I didn't give anything here. Okay, so let me go back here and try to put this one. Maybe it may resolve the problem. Let me check it out once again. This combo box is creating the problem, I guess. G. G 1 6. Fantastic. So we are end up with closing this module. So at last we got the data now. So let me check it out whether my data is there. Select star from passport, login details. Select start from passport details. I'm executing this one. So the last value which I created is G value. The value is 6. Here I got the data 6. Yes, looks like the data is inserted, and this is the end of this particular module. I need to sort out some of things, like cancel button should work. So I'll make it as we go to cancel, you need to go to the login page. I am copying from new login page file. Yes, so you'll go to the login page. Okay, so let me check it out whether it's good. So crash, submit, cancel. Yes, it's working fine. Okay, so over here I'm trying to put it as the reference number for your passport is that's it. So the reference number for your passport is, I gave this number. Probably I need to give this number. Sorry, you can give this passport reference number in that other case. Instead of ID, I can give this passport reference number. This is your passport reference number. So over here you are able to see the passport reference number is this one, 1301 for the person G. So by using this passport reference number, the people can identify their status, like whether it's pending or something like that. Okay, so that's it. So this is how you are able to do it. Now I need to go for see login page. So this is the user. Once if you try to click login, automatically it's moving to the passport apply page. No, I don't want this one. I need an option page like this. So I'm clicking it here, right click, add new item. I'll create an option page. The option page will have 2 buttons, right click, properties. I'll change the color as white. I'll have 2 buttons, button 1 and button 2. Make it a small. Button 1, clicking button 1, so I need to change the text box as apply for passport. Right click on properties. Over here, change the status of the passport. Okay, I'll copy this one, paste it here. Option page for admin. Okay, so on clicking this one, apply passport, this form should come. Apply passport, apply object, apply dot show, this dot hi. Okay, on clicking this login page, submit button, if the user is valid login, I don't want this code, change it as option page. I create an object for this. Create an object and put it here. Yes. So let's see. So from here, if it is a valid login, go to the option page. Crash, valid login. It should go to this option page. Okay, now I'm in the option page. If I click this option page, it should go to the apply passports. It should go to the apply passports. Yes, it's going to the apply passport page. So the functionality looks good. Now what I can do is like I'll go with creating another page for changing the status. Right click, add new item. So now I'm moving to the status page. Status, change status page. Make it as a change status page. Click OK. I got my change status page here. Okay, so I need a label. So now I'll finish my navigation. Over here, my option page, this is the button. On clicking this button, it should go to this change status page. So change status page, CSP is equal to new change status page. So CSP dot show and this dot hide. I'll run it here. So crash, submit. I got this option page. On clicking this button, it should go to change status page. On clicking this button, it should go to the change status page. Change status page is this one. Okay, so it should go to this page. Let's see. Click it. Yes, it's going to the change status page. Okay, so the navigation is ready. Now I'll move on to how to design a change status page. I need two labels, one, the other one label. Right click properties, and I can put it as passport reference numbers. Over here I put it as status. Now I need a comma box for this passport reference number, and I need another comma box for the status. Obviously I need a submit button, cancel button. So I will take these buttons from here. From the other form, I take this button and put it here. Now let's give a background color. Form, right click properties, background image. Looks good. Right click properties, change the back color as transparent. Now I'll take this one, put it here. Make it as change status page and text. Click submit. Yes, now I got this one. Now during form load, I want to load the data. During form load, I want to load the data. Over here, I got my select star from passport details. I got these things. Now I want the passport reference number, right? So I'm looking for passport reference number. Now executing this one, these are the passport reference number, where the passport status is equal to pending. Only I want the passport status with the pending. I'm taking this query. This is a query, just check it out. Select passport reference number from passport details where passport status is equal to pending. I took this one, and in the form load, I'm going to write a piece of code. Now we have written the code previously. I'll take the same piece of code. I'll close this option page and all. I'll close this new user login page, new login. I go to the apply password, where I'm trying to fetch. Let me take these things. SQL client. I'll add the namespace first, and I'm taking this SQL connection. I'll put this SQL connection here. Now we need to open the connection. In the end, I have to close the connection. In the mid, I need to write the code. Let's write the code. I'll go here. Here is the code to select the data. Here is the code to select the data. I'll take this piece of code. I will put it here. So here is my query. I change the query here. I'll change the query here. Looks like there is an error in my code. Let me check it out. This one is command 1. So like I fixed a small piece of code. So this is command 1. Okay, command 1 dot command type. Everything is ready. I think I got my data set, which I need to fill it in my this combo box, right? Properties. The combo box name is a CMB underscore ref number. So I'll take this combo box, put it here. You can write a piece of code, combo box for each data row dr in ds.tables of 0. I took my dot rows. I got my data set in the table, the rows. I took the row and I'm going to traverse it. Comma box dot items dot add of dr of 0 dot to string. Sorry, dr. That's it. Sorry. Okay, so I got my combo box ready. Let me check it out whether it's working. So I'm going here, crash, submit, change the status page. Yeah, oh, I didn't get the data. Looks like there is a problem. I couldn't get the data. Looks like password reference number is coming. I'll change this dr of 0. Looks like I got the data now. Dr of 0. Okay, I need to change the status of the data. So obviously, like I'll go here, combo box, right click, name is reduce the size equal is to all. When the passport is ready, the admin will log into this page and he will change it. Items, collection, so it's pending, approve. So I need to write a small piece of code for cancel. I have to go to the login page, right? Option page, right? So option page, copy is equal to new option page, copy.show, start hide. Yes, it's ready. Now I need to write the code for the submit button. What the code? So I need to update it, right? So the query should be update. What is the table name? Update passport details, set passport status equal to approved, where passport reference is equal to the incoming data. So this should be the content. Am I right? So this is the one I need to do it. Okay, maybe like I can change it, change the status of the passport now. Over here, pending is already there. We can have in progress. That's it. This is the piece of code I'm going to write. So where approved or in progress or anything. So over here, I'll put it like this. Plus, where is my combo box? CMB underscore status. I'll take this one, put it here, dot selected item dot to string. Plus where passport reference number is equal to plus this is the one. This is the query I need to write it to execute. Let's see how it works. I'll copy this content. I'll make it as a single line. Let's see how it works. I have a string query. Query is equal to, I put this one. I'll go here. I'll take this query. No need, we can go and type it. It's really a very simple one. I've got a SQL command cmd2 is equal to new SQL command. So I'll give this query comma connection. Comma cmd2 dot execute non query int status is equal to if status is greater than 0, I got a message box dot show passport details updated successfully, else give a message box dot show updation fail. Okay, I think I've written the query. Let's see how it works. Now I'll go here, I'll give my crash. I got this one. Now I'll take this one and make it as upload, submit. Oops, there is an issue. I didn't open the connection. Let's see the query, how it works. It's upload and looks like query is good. Looks the query will work. So I need to open the connection. Connection.open and finally connection.close. I didn't give this one. Let's start it. So crash, change the path status, give it, click upload, submit. Yes, it's upload. 643 is upload. Let's see how it works. Now I'll go to my database. Let's see my status, select star from passport details. I'll execute it. 643. It's upload. It's upload. 643 is upload. Let me check it out. 1301. 1301 in progress. Submit. So let me check it out the status. It's in progress. That looks good. So this module is working perfectly fine, and I'll make it a center. Right click, properties, Windows default location, center screen. Okay, this module is ready to go. Now we are going to end up with the final module for this login page. Where it's located? This login page. Only this login page, the user will log in to see whether his data is invalid or not. So that's the only screen we need to make it out. Once if it's finished, the project is over. And you'll be getting a lot of thousands of projects. I'm going to build it in this YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So our YouTube channel is Wikitiki Code. You can check out our YouTube channel. It's Wikitiki Code. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all the projects. It's free of cost. I'm building it for you. Thank you.